By joining Fast Track, we recognize that you took a chance on us, uprooted your life, and tried to start something new.
The Fast Track sales program to me is an opportunity. It's an opportunity to relocate to Cincinnati in an industry-leading, growing company with a choose-your-own career path type of career.
When you walk into Westchester, it's really high energy. You'll probably hear your favorite artist playing on one corner of the room and then another favorite artist on the other corner. With it being a satellite office, it offers a more intimate experience.
You get a lot of tenured brokers that are very successful and have been around for a long time, so they answer all the questions you need.
All of your leadership, all of your team, all of your support departments are all in the same building with you, and most of the time they're just a few rows away.
Relocated from Lafayette, Indiana. Getting to my first milestone was a ton of putting in the extra work, staying late, research. I tell everybody who comes in, trust the process. If you come in ready to learn, then you can absolutely find success.